Right. So the next thing is on the day of the interview. So certain things which I have not discussed is one thing with respect to your dress. Again, many of you might have this basic question that what kind of dress you're supposed to wear. Okay. So again, I told you, okay, who are going to interview with them? I mean, who is going to interview you, right? 60 years old, majority men who are going to interview you. So what do they expect? Okay, so therefore, that is what kind of dress you're supposed to wear. Decent dressing, formal dressing. Women, obviously, you can wear sari. If you don't want to wear sari, a good salwar also is fine. Okay, and men can wear suit or you can wear normal formals. Formals is would be ideal. I mean, I would recommend just having a decent formal. Okay, no folding like this and all. Okay, have it proper formal dress. Okay, is ideal. If you want, you can wear a tie. If you don't want to wear a tie also, it's fine. If you want to wear a suit, that's also fine. Okay, there's no restriction. Obviously, don't wear jeans, torn jeans and all that. That goes without saying. So I won't go too much in detail about that, but obviously so dress formally, dress decently. Okay, some pleasant color, no bright colors and all that. So pleasant color. Okay, and don't put too much of perfume and all that. Keep it mild. Okay, so it should not be difficult for them also. So those things, basic things you can keep in mind. Okay, and then obviously be confident. Okay, and make sure that you utilize that 20 to 25 minutes. It is an opportunity. It is not a test. Please take it that way. It is an opportunity where you are going to show your personality. Don't be scared that, oh, I want to finish it off. Just let me come out. That should never be your attitude. You should make sure that each and every minute over there, you are trying to market yourself. You are trying to sell yourself as much as possible. So don't think that, oh, I want to just get out. Most of students will be scared. Even before going, they're like, oh, I hope it gets over fast. I hope it gets over fast. That should never be your attitude. Make sure that the interview goes as long as possible. If longer means that they have liked you, they want to talk to you. So make sure you do that with that level of confidence. Nothing will happen. I'm telling you, it is like as though you are conversating with your relatives, with your family members. It is nothing different. Is that understood? They are not very intelligent people that they'll be asking you very intelligent question. Nothing like it's just a basic conversation that you are going to have with your relatives. Your uncle will ask, what have you been doing? Where have you been working? What kind of job do you do? Okay, do you know about this one? I read it in the news. Do you know about it? So such conversation will be there. So don't be scared of what you know. Then next is know your members. See, just go through the profile and see what members are doing. You can do. I just put question mark over here is because it is up to you. Sometimes I don't believe in that because you can't choose your members. So therefore you will be randomly put. But even when you are randomly put, if you know that member, what is his background? Some may be forest officers, some may be in the police service. Okay, some may be a professor of some history or something like that. Okay, so when you are going to that member, you can expect that, yes, this person might be asking me this question, or this person knows it, so I cannot lie about it. Okay, let's say somebody is a retired forest officer, a member. Okay, if you're going to that board, you can obviously expect some questions relating to environment and national parks and national sanctuaries and other things, right? So therefore, be prepared for that. You can. That is up to you. Okay, so whether you want to study them, see who they are and what is their qualification. Okay, be humble. Okay, this is very important. Many of them will be trying to show that they know more. Okay, many of them, unfortunately, will be trying to say that they know more. They will be trying to argue. Okay, don't take it at that level. Don't take the discussion at an argumenting level. If you are if you feel that, yes, I am more intelligent, you will take it to that argumenting level. You'll start arguing with the members. Don't do that. Okay, so try to end it as quickly as possible when you start realizing, yes, this person has taken it very personally. Okay, so I need to end the conversation as quickly as possible. Don't sit and argue with the member. Okay, if they say that, no, this is the answer, even if you feel that, no, it is not the answer, don't go on trying to correct them. Even if they are not ready, you do it once. I beg to differ, but I think this is the answer. You can tell that. But If you still they don't agree, you don't go on arguing. Okay, sir, I will check my facts. That's all. End it at that. And don't start, keep arguing. Be humble. And whenever you answer, if you don't know, you can always say, I don't know. I will check my facts, etc. So it is okay, right? So you don't have to satisfy your ego. All that you want is a job, right? You want to enter the service. So be prepared to do everything. Okay, even if your ego is hurt in the interview hall, it is okay. You know, they have corrected me so many times when their facts were wrong. Okay, but it is okay, right? Let them be happy. Okay, even if you correct it once, maybe they are testing you. Okay, you can correct it once. But the second time again, if they are arguing, you say that, yes, I don't know, I will check my facts. Okay, right? So that is what you can do. And even body language also, try to use your hands, but not too much also. Okay, if I keep doing like this, it doesn't make sense. So as much as possible, okay, make a, have a smiling face and look at all the members when you are answering. So let's say if a question is asked by one member, okay, about 40% of the time you look at that member. The rest of the time you can dedicate and you can see other members also. So it helps you, it kind of lightens the mood in the room and they will feel connected. And this way you will be able to bring them on board and that 20 to 25 marks difference will happen. Is that okay? So that is what you can do. So have a, general body language. Don't, show, I mean, don't panic. I mean, don't feel scared. As I told you, it is just a simple conversation. Okay? So these are the things that you need to do on the day of the interview. See, when I tell you all this, expect these things in the examination, when in the interview. When you expect these things, you will be ready to give out answers. All this can be happening in the exam hall. Sometimes the interview might be very cordial. They won't ask you any facts. They won't ask you any information. It will be simply conversation. Where are you from? What did your parents do? Okay, what did you do after schooling? Why did you do civil service? Or why do you want to become? It will be simple conversation. Sometimes it may be very factual. They will ask you, unnecessary facts after facts and facts without, them asking any kind of information about your personality. You can expect that also. Sometimes it will be very matured conversation. Okay, they'll be talking about international relationship, policy matters, welfare matters. You can expect that kind of interview also. So you can expect all kinds of interview. You might be frustrated after coming out. You might be very happy after coming out. So it is okay. You might have all of it. Okay, but the golden rule is you should be able to give all the answers as much as possible. And second thing is they should also feel that, okay, the interview went well. They should also be happy with the interview, with you. Okay, personally, they should be happy. Make sure that you do that. Okay, and